This video will show you how to install projector headlights on a 1997 to 2001 Mercedes ML. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. We'll start by opening the hood. Now remove the headlight trim. Remove the two 10mm nuts that were hidden behind the trim. Remove a 10mm bolt towards the top of the headlight. Remove the factory headlight, then disconnect the turn signal light socket and headlight harness. Install the turn signal socket and headlight harness on the new projector headlight, then place it in the stock location. Now replace everything in reverse order of removal. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road.